So good morning children. Today we will come to the next topic, that is in arithmetic progressions, that is nth term of an AP. So we have already we know that the arithmetic progression will be of the form A1, A2, A3 and so on. So who's here, the first term is A1 or we can say it as A, and the common difference is D. So first we have A1 is equal to A. This we can write it as A plus 0 into D. 0 into anything is 0. So A plus 0 is A. This 0 you can write it as 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So A plus 1 minus 1 into D. This is the first term. Now second term we can write it as, second term is A plus D, which is equal to A plus 1 we can write it as 2 minus 1 because it is second term. 1 we can write it as 2 minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to A plus 2 we can write it as 3 minus 1 into D. That is third term means A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is 2D. So A4 is equal to A plus 3D. We can write it as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. 3 we can write it as 4 minus 1. A5 is equal to A plus 4D, which is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Similarly, we can write nth term An is equal to, by observing this, A plus fifth term we have written as 5 minus 1. Nth term we can write it as n minus 1 into D. Therefore, the nth term of the AP An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference. Next, An is also called general term of the AP. Suppose if there are m terms in the AP, then Am we can write it as A plus m minus 1 into D. If there are k terms, we can write Ak is equal to A plus k minus 1 into D. Kth term we can write it as Ak. Mth term we write it as Am. Am is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D. Ak, kth term is equal to Ak is equal to A plus k minus 1 into D. So An is also called the last term of the AP. The last term of the AP is denoted by L. L is nothing but An is equal to L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now we'll come to exercise 5.2. So in exercise 5.2, you are given like this. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and An the nth term of the AP. Here you have total 5 questions. Out of 5, I'll do 3. You will do 2 in homework notebook. So this is the first question. Given A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8 and An we have to find. And we have nth term An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is equal to 8, so we are finding A8. A8 is equal to, in the place of A you have to substitute 7 plus, in the place of n we substitute 8 minus 1 into, in the place of D we substitute 3. So A8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. So A8 is equal to 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Now we come to second question. Second question is, given A is equal to minus 18, D we have to find. Given N is equal to 10 and An is equal to 0. We have our formula for nth term An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We are given An is equal to 0. So here we substitute 0 is equal to, in the place of A we have to write minus 5 plus, in the place of n we have to write 10. 10 minus 1 into D. D here we have to find. So minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9D is equal to 0. So 9D is equal to 0. Bring minus 18 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 18. So 0 plus 18 is 18. 9D is equal to 18. Therefore D is equal to 18 divided by 9, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to 2. Now we come to fourth question. Given A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, and N we have to find. So N is question mark, An is equal to 3.6. So our nth term formula is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in the place of An we have to substitute 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D is 2.5. So 3.6 you bring minus 18.9 to left hand side, it becomes plus 18.9, which is equal to 2.5 into N minus 1. So if you add these two, you will be getting 22.5. 2.5 into N minus 1 is 22.5. So N minus 1 is 22.5 divided by 2.5. These two are decimals. 22.5 is nothing but 225 by 10 divided by 2.5 is nothing but 25 by 10, which is equal to 225 by 10. When we are doing a division with a fraction, we multiply with its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 25 by 10 is 10 by 25. 25 goes into 225 9 times, 10 goes into 10 1 time. So 9 into 1 by 1 into 1, so which is equal to 9 by 1. N minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore N is equal to 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. Therefore number of terms of the AP, N is equal to 10. Now we will come to second question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. In this we will do B bit. 11th term of the AP, minus 3, comma minus 1 by 2, comma 2 is dash. We have to find the correct answer. So this is the question. Given first term A is equal to minus 3, second term A2 is minus 1 by 2, third term A3 is 2. So first we have to find common difference. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2, minus of A1 is minus 3. So minus 1 by 2, minus into minus is plus 3. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3 is minus 1 plus 2. 3s are 6 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. And here N is equal to 11. So we have to find the value of A11. We have nth term An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A11 is equal to, first term A is equal to minus 3 plus N is equal to 11 minus 1 into D is 5 by 2. So which is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times, 5 5s are 25. So 25 minus 3 is 22. Therefore A11 is 22. Now we will come to third question. Third question is, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Here you have total 5 problems. I'll do 3, you will do 2 in homework notebook. Now we'll come to third question, first bit, 2-26. This can be done in two ways. Suppose if you take this as A, this as B, this as C. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then B is equal to A plus C by 2. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to question mark, C is equal to 26. So B is equal to A plus C by 2, that is 2 plus 26 by 2. 2 plus 26 is 28 by 2, which is equal to 14. Therefore missing term is equal to 14. So we do second method. We have given A1 is A is equal to A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to question mark. A3 is equal to 26. We have first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is first one is A is equal to 2, A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 26. In the place of A, we have to write 2. 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. Then 2D is equal to 26 minus 2, which is equal to 24. Then d is equal to 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. We have to find a2. a2 is nothing but a plus d. A value is 2 and d is 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. Therefore missing term is equal to 14. In these two methods you will copy only one method. Now third bit, second bit, dash 13 dash 3. Here a is question mark. First term is question mark. Second term is 13. Third term is again we need to find. Fourth term a4 is equal to 3. And we have a2 is nothing but a plus d, which is equal to 13. a4 is nothing but a plus 3d, which is equal to 3. These two are linear equations in two variables. So when we subtract these two, plus a and minus a gets cancelled. Plus d minus 3d is minus 2d. 13 minus 3 is 10. So d is equal to 10 divided by minus 2, which is equal to minus 5. Now we substitute d is equal to minus 5. In any one equation you can substitute. Here I am substituting in 1. So a plus d is equal to 13. A, d is minus 5. So a minus 5 is 13. A is equal to 13. You bring minus 5 right hand side. So it becomes plus 5. A is equal to 13 plus 5, 18. Now we have to find first term and third term. So first term already a value we got 18. Third term is equal to a plus 2d. Third term a3 is equal to a plus 2d. A is equal to 18 plus 2 into d value is minus 5. So which is equal to 18. Plus into minus is minus. 2 5s are 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. So first term a1 is equal to a is equal to 18. Third term a3 is equal to 8. Now we come to fourth question. Minus 4 dash 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 6. Here we are given a is equal to a1 is equal to minus 4, a2 is equal to question mark, a3 is question mark, a4 is question mark, a5 is question mark, and a6 is equal to 6. We are given first term a is equal to minus 4. a6 is nothing but a plus 5d, which is equal to 6. Now we substitute minus 4 in the place of a. Minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. 5d is equal to 6. Bring minus 4 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 4. 5d is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. d is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. Now we have to find the required terms. So now a2 is nothing but a plus d. A is minus 4, d is plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Now a3 is equal to a plus 2d. A is minus 4 plus 2 into d is 2. So minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. A4 is equal to a plus 3d. Minus 4 plus 3 into d value is 2. So minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we have to find a5. a5 is equal to a plus 4d, which is equal to minus 4 plus 4 into 2. So minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Therefore the missing terms are first one is minus 2, second one is 0, third one is 2, fourth one is 4. Now we come to fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 18, 13, 18 and so on is 78? We are given first term A is equal to 3, second term A2 is equal to 8, third term A3 is equal to 13, fourth term A4 is equal to 18 and nth term AN is equal to 78. Here we have to find which term. Term means n. First we have a and we find the common difference. How to find the common difference? Subtract first term from second term. So d is equal to a2 minus a1. That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So our nth term formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 78 plus a is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 5. So 78, bring 3 this side, it becomes minus 3. 78 minus 3 is 5 into n minus 1. 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. So 5 into n minus 1 is 75. N minus 1 is 75 divided by 5, which is equal to 15. N minus 1 is 15. N is equal to 15. Bring minus 1 this side, it becomes plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 16. 16th term of the AP is 78. Now we'll come to 5th question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. In this, 2 questions are there. One question I taught you, one question you will do homework. Here given A is equal to 18, that is first term A1 is equal to 18, second term A2 is equal to 15 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction, we convert into improper fraction. 2 15s are 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2. A3 is equal to 13 and the last term An is equal to minus 47. We have to find number of terms n. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. 31 by 2 minus 18, which is equal to 31 minus 2 18s are 36 by 2. 31 minus 36 is minus 5 by 2. So our An formula is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to minus 47. So 18 plus n minus 1 into D minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. So minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1 is minus 47. Bring plus 18 this side, it becomes minus 18. So minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1 is minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65. Both sides you have minus, so cancel this minus sign. 5 by 2 into n minus 1 is 65. N minus 1 is equal to 65. When it multiplies this side, if it comes this side, it divides. So 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. 5 goes into 65 13 times. 13 2s are 26. So n minus 1 is equal to 26. N is equal to 26. Bring minus 1 this side. It becomes plus 1. N is equal to 27. Therefore, the number of terms in the given AP is equal to 27. So 27 terms are there in that AP, and this is your home assignment.